Hello students, we meet again. I'm Wiwik Andreani with the program Be Proficient in English with Binus. This time we have two learning objectives. At the end of the sessions, you are able to explain the meaning of cause and effect conjunctions. And the second one, you are able to use the conjunctions in your sentences. Do you still remember our previous session? Cause and effect conjunctions. So cause refers to the reason why something happens. And effect deals with what happens as a result. I think this is clear enough. Look at some examples here. We have two statements. Maria studied hard. She won the first place in the math competition. So, when we talk about cause, what is the cause? The cause is Maria studied hard. And the effect? She won the first place in the math competition. And if you are supposed to write the combined sentence using so and then using because, what will you write? How do you combine the two sentences? I'll give you some time to write it first, and then we will discuss the correct one. Ready? This is the answer. If you used so, it means you use effect conjunctions. Then you can say, Maria studied hard, so she won the first place in the math competition. If you use because, then you focus on the reason. That's why your sentence becomes, Maria won the first place in the math competition because she studied hard. Let's try another example. Rudy missed the test and then he came late. So what is the cause and then what is the effect? And if you are asked to combine the sentence using so and due to, what will you write? How do you combine the two sentences using the cause and effect conjunctions? Okay, let's check together. Rudy missed the test is the effect, and he came late is the cause. And if you combine the two sentences using so, your sentence becomes, Rudy came late, so he missed the test. Be careful with due to. Due to his late coming, Rudy missed the test. Can you see the difference? So is followed by a clause or a sentence. Due to is followed by a noun or gerund. Try number 3 then. Tuti sprained her ankle. She could not join the ballet performance. Can you tell me the cause and the effect? Which one is the cause and which one is the effect? And if you combine the two sentences using as a result and since, Okay, let's see. Yes, you're right. Yeah. So Tuti sprained her ankle is the cause. She could not join the ballet performance is the effect. And if you combine the two sentences using as a result, your sentence will be Tuti sprained her ankle and as a result, she could not join the ballet performance. If you use since, your sentence will become Tuti could not join the ballet performance since she sprained her ankle. This is to summarize what we have been practicing so far. Please remember, if you focus on the reason, you use cause conjunction, then these are the possible forms. The first one, clause 1, plus because, since, or as, plus clause 2, and clause 1, due to, owing to, gerund, and noun. So please remember the differences. And if you use effect conjunctions, the form is clause 1 plus so, therefore, as a result, and clause 2. So due to and owing to are quite special. Why? Because it's not possible for you to use clause. You have to use gerund or noun. Okay, so practice again and again and study everything with pleasure because you will never forget it. This is the end of our program and see you next time. Bye-bye.